Hi, today you know about how to add social media links or icons in your channel art here. This is the home page before adding the social media links. I'll show you how to add the links. For that, go to YouTube and log into your account and go to the right side corner and click your channel icon and go to YouTube Studio. I need to add my Facebook page's link, so I copy the link. I want to copy the Facebook page link. For that, open the Facebook. If you want to add your profile's link, you go to your profile and copy the link here. The link available in the search bar here. Just copy. But I want to add my page link only, so I'm go to my page, dedicated page I'm created for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to my page and copy the link available in the search bar here, and go to the YouTube setting and go to customization here. And select the third one, basic info. This setting all available in the YouTube Studio section, okay? So don't confuse. And scroll down, and here the links, add link. Click the add link and name your title, the link's title. I'm add the Facebook pages link, so I have name as Facebook. Okay, then paste the link. Previously I have copied from the Facebook page here, so now I have pasted it and click the publish. Without publish, the channel icon not appear on your channel art. There are 5 links you appear in your channel art here, but you can add more links also. It's available in your about page here. About pages are down here, it will appear. Yeah, it's now my Facebook, the linked Facebook icon available here, and also available the Facebook link in the about page also. I think this video is very helpful to you, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel now to support me, and don't forget to comment below if any doubts you have.